Students, today we see the word problems of exercise 4.5. See the first question. The question is, Andrew had 2 upon 3 dozen eggs. He used 1 upon 6 dozen eggs to bake a cake. Then what fraction of dozen was he left with? Let us understand first what we are given in the question and what we are asked to find out. It is given that eggs with the Andrew 2 upon 3 dozen and eggs used 1 upon 6 dozen, and we are asked to find out fraction of dozen was he left with. Means here we have to find out the number of eggs left, and to find out the number of eggs left we need to subtract the given two fractions, that is the fraction 2 by 3 and 1 by 6. So here you can see I have written number of eggs left is equal to 2 upon 3 minus 1 upon 6. Now 2 by 3 and 1 by 6 are the unlike fractions. They are having different denominators, right? So we cannot subtract them directly. Hence, to subtract this fraction, we need to convert them into like fraction first. Means we have to make their denominators same. And for making the denominators same, we need to multiply the denominator 3 of the first fraction by the number 2, right? Because as 3 2s are 6. But since it is multiplied by 2, we need to multiply the numerator by the 2 as well, right? So you can see here in the first fraction, I have multiplied the numerator and the denominator by the same number 2, and I copied the second fraction as it is. After solving, what we will get? 4 by 6 minus 1 by 6. Now 4 by 6 and 1 by 6 are the like fractions as they are having same denominators. And how to subtract the like fractions? To subtract the like fraction, we subtract the numerator and copy the denominator, right? So here you can see I have subtracted the numerator, that is 4 minus 1, and I copy the denominator. Now 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 and the denominator is 6. Hence the fraction is 3 by 6. Now can we reduce 3 by 6 fraction into the lowest term? Yes, we can. The number 3 and 6 both are divisible by 3. 3 is the common factor of 3 and 6. So if we divide the numerator as well as the denominator by the number 3, what we will get? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is the lowest term of the fraction 3 by 6. Hence the final answer is 1 by 2. Hence what fraction of eggs Andrew left with? He left with 1 by 2 dozen eggs. Now question number 3 is exactly similar to the question number 1. So you do it by your own. Now we are coming to the question number 2. Question is, there were 4 liters of milk in the house on Sunday morning. Means total quantity of milk is given to you, which is 4 liters. Out of the total quantity of milk, means out of the 4 liters of milk, milk left was 1 and 1/4 liter, right? And we are asked to find out how much milk was used. Again here, to find out the milk used, we need to subtract the given two numbers, or we can say that the given two fractions. But the second number is a mixed number, so we need to convert it into improper fraction first. And how to convert it into improper fraction? Yes, we copy the denominator, then we multiply 4 and 1, 4 ones are 4, and add numerator to it, 4 plus 1, 5. Hence the improper fraction will become 5 by 4. So this is the quantity of milk left, right? Hence quantity of milk used is equal to total quantity of milk minus quantity of milk left, that is 4 liter minus 5 upon 4 liter. Now the number 4 is having no denominator, so I took it as a 1. Hence the fraction will become 4 by 1, and the second fraction is 5 by 4. Again 4 by 1 and 5 by 4 are which kind of fractions? They are unlike fractions as they are having different denominators. So we cannot them directly. Hence to subtract these two given fraction, we need to convert them into like fraction first. Means we have to make their denominators same. And for making the denominators same, here I have multiplied the numerator and the denominator of the first fraction by the same number 4. And I copy the second fraction as it is. After solving, what we will get? The first fraction will be 16 by 4 and the second is 5 by 4. Now 16 by 4 and 5 by 4 are the like fractions now. So we can easily subtract. And to subtract it, first we subtract the numerator and copy the denominator. So what we will get? 16 minus 5 upon 4, and 16 minus 5 is equal to 11. So the fraction will be 11 by 4. Now 11 by 4 is an improper fraction. Can we convert improper fraction into mixed number? Yes, we can. And how to convert? If we divide the number 11 by 4, what we will get? 11 upon 4. 4 2s are 8, right? And 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. So here the quotient is 2 and the remainder is 3. So how to write? Copy the denominator, write the quotient here and remainder in the numerator. So 2 and 3/4 is an mixed number. Hence the final answer is 2 3/4 liter milk was used.